Hello everyone, this is Grade 3, Module 5, Lesson 22, Homework. The directions state, for number 1, write the shaded fraction of each figure on the blank. Then draw a line to match the equivalent fractions. I'll do 2 of these that are equivalent. And I know my first one here, I see 1 out of 2 shaded. So I'm looking for another equivalent that is half, or equivalent to 1/2. And I know that I have number lines that I can refer back to if I need to, but when I look over here on this other side, I see 3/6, because I have 3 of them shaded, and I have 3 of them that aren't shaded. And that's where I'm kind of noticing that the number shaded should be equal to the number not shaded if it's going to be half, because I have 1 shaded here and 1 not shaded. So I'm going to draw a line to that. My next one down is I see that there are 2 shaded out of 5 total. And when I glance, I'm trying to find another one that has similar to 2/5, or is the same as 2/5 but more. When I look at this one here, I see 2 different groupings. And I see 2 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I look at this other part, I see 2 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 groups of 2/5. So when I look at this as an entire amount, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded out of 10 total. And I see if I just drew a line on my 2/5 up here, I would see an equivalent there of 2/5 and 2/5, which would be 4/10. So I'm seeing that these two are equivalent to each other. Now if we take a look at the next page, we want to read the directions quick. Number 2 says, complete the fractions to make true statements. So I have 1/2 here, 1/2 shaded out of 2. And then 4, I see 4 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when I look at the next one, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 3 out of 5 shaded. And this one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 of the shaded out of 10. For this last one, I have 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's my 3 9s. And this one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's showing my equivalent fractions for those. If we take a look at 3, it states, why does it take 3 copies of 1/6 to show the same amount as 1 copy of 1/2? Explain your answer in words and pictures. So immediately I'm going to draw. And my holes are going to be the same amount. And I see I have 1 copy of 1/2. So I'll shade that. That's my 1/2. And then 3 copies of 1/6, so that's my unit of 1/6. And I see this is 1/6. This is 1/6. And this one's 1/6. And I see that 3 of the 6, so half are shaded, 3 of them are shaded, 3 of them are not shaded. And down here I have 1 shaded and 1 not shaded, equal size. So the 2 tape diagrams show that 3 copies of 1/6 is the same length as one copy of a half. Because I noticed that if all of my amounts are equivalent, so they're all the same unit size, so up here I'm talking about sixths, that if half of them are shaded and half of them aren't, it's the same as down here when I'm talking about halves, if half are shaded and half aren't. So I have one that is shaded and one that is not. Hope this helps. Good luck on your homework, and thanks for watching.